Hello, what we got here today is my Hampton Bay Leamington motor. This is a newer 2015 model of Hampton Bay. And I don't tend to agree with anyone when they say these things are fairly cheap. It has some pretty thick metal on it. I mean, you don't really need a thick motor for a fan, though. Motor's bearings are still good. Then again, this thing doesn't ran very often, so... But today, we're going to be testing this motor. I'm going to go ahead and get it set up. Then I'm using this suicide cable. I'll pull this cable off a Sony Trinitron TV, which I'll make a video about its chassis later. I'll go ahead and start it off on high. You can hear it humming away. It does work. I don't have a light bulb in it. I don't know which one's fan and light, so I just wired them both. I know the green wire is earth and the black wire is neutral. Turn it to medium. Yes, I know, I don't have it earthed at the moment. I think it's just a very momentary test. This is low. The only reason I come is humming so much is because, one, it's not permanently mounted at all. Two, I do have the light kit chain up in there, so that's all buzzing. Three, this down here is also buzzing. So that's how come it's so noisy, hummy, and loud. It's not actually not the motor. It's not the motor or anything. It's just it vibrating. All that humming here is just vibration. What I'm going to do now for our next test is I'm going to put on the 4 genuine blade motors. Yes, I know. This is pretty small. I can fit the entire blade iron in my hand. Yep. I'm going to fit it with the blade irons. Then we can go again. Okay. So I've once again mounted the chains to the... I've mounted 2 blade arms to the motor. I've also taped the chains to the switch housing so that they don't get tangled within the blade motor and the blade brackets, because that just would not end very well. And yes, I know that is very solidly mounted on there. I'm going to fix that. I'm also going to kind of take care of that because that is definitely dangerous. So I have fixed the wiring. I then fixed up the wiring. Yep, you see he's all nice and wrapped up in electrical tape now, so if I do this and they won't ask me to touch each other and arc out and blow up breakers, go ahead and fix this real fast and I'll see you. Oh, one thing to note about the fan. Give me a second, that's a bit better. It is a chore to get these blade arms on because the last person was to install this onto the ceiling before it got taken down. Stripped the holy shit out of these screws. Let's look at that if the camera out of focus. It's nice and stripped. Doesn't that just look yummy? I hope without any further delays, make sure this is doing anything it isn't supposed to. Indeed, it is not. Let's go ahead and power her up. Mains in. Turn the fan on. Give me a second. It's fighting with me. Second. Time to light it up. Gee, now that looked a lot more interesting, doesn't it? It at least looks more interesting than just a spinning motor. I wonder how much torque this thing has. This thing started instantly. Here, let me show you that again. Instant replay. Slow it down with my finger. Check this out, guys. It almost started up instantly. It is trying to move air, but since there's no blades on it, that's kind of impossible. You can see it. What's the blade arms? I'm going to just put it down. It is a lot more silent with blade arms than just a spinning motor. Alright, let's go on to the next speed. That would be medium speed. I'll turn the light off. I don't need it. Didn't need light in my room without it. I'm sure if you could hear that air sound. Opening up, I'm sure you could hear it humming. Here's the bottom view. Not sure who makes Hampton Bay Leaningtons these days. They're just running on medium. Again, that humming sound you hear is not the motor. It's just the fact that I have it sitting here on the little, I guess you could call this a bench of sorts. I guess this is a really oversized windowsill. Just have it sitting here. It's not mounted or anything. It's going to be humming. Time for low speed. Okay, well apparently I failed. I forgot to press play before I went through the rest of the speech. Another thing I did, because I got 6 more minutes. Well, I guess here's a low speed. I'll continue on to part 2 here in a little.